In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix a iPhone front camera microphone not working on a video call. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, check any physical obstructions. So the front microphone is located in the top notch or receiver area. Remove any screen protector or cases that might be blocking it. The second, you can simply go ahead and check the same thing on Voice Memo app, and if it works, then it could not be a hardware issue and it could be just a settings issue. And the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead into your settings and then simply head into privacy and security. And then inside of microphone control right over here, you want to simply go ahead and allow the application that you want to go ahead and have the microphone control to. The other thing you want to do is simply head into settings, scroll down to general, scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset, click on reset and click on reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.